Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create text-to-speech effect on Capcut. So if you have a video where you have some captions and you want to add the effect of someone speaking on it, then let me show you how it can be done on Capcut. So first you want to go ahead and open up the Capcut app. Tap on New Project at the top. Here, go ahead and post a video. This one here. Now to add the text-to-speech effect, go ahead and tap on text at the bottom. From here, go ahead and tap on text to audio. Now go ahead and type what you want to be spoken. Now once that's done, from the bottom you can choose what voiceover. There's a peaceful female, Sam. There's some pro versions to it as well if you have paid for the Capcut app. So I'll just go ahead and choose Sam. Then I'll tap on next to the top right. This will basically ask you if you want to split the text automatically. I'll just tap on split. Now this will generate the text-to-speech effect on your video. So there you go, it's generated. Go ahead and press play, put the volume up.
Please subscribe to this channel.
It has applied the text-to-speech effect on your video using Capcut. So there you go guys, that is how to apply the text-to-speech effect on your videos using Capcut. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.